Hello my friends and my new friends. My name is Paola for those of you who don't know me. And in today's video, I want to show you how to do side crow. So side crow is an arm balance. You should probably already know how to do regular crow. And if you have never done crow before, you should probably go ahead and check out my video. So side crow requires more of a spinal twist, and it requires strength on your shoulders as well. So remember always to warm up the wrist, and in this case for this pose I always recommend that you have done some twisting poses before you get into the pose so your obliques are already warm enough. Spread all 10 fingers, grab the mat firmly. Remember your index and your middle finger should be always facing the front of the mat. Chaturanga arms so you're hugging the rib cage, elbows facing back. Bend the elbows and now take a twist. Taking your left knee on top of your left elbow and your right hip on top of your right elbow. Start shifting the weight forward and then come up. Make sure that your shoulders are even. Just breathing here and then slowly come down. There's also a variation to the pose. If you want to do it just with one arm, you will be balancing in one arm and let one arm completely free. So in this case, we're going to do the same thing. We come up, spread the fingers, bend the elbows, hug the rib cage, elbows facing back. And now we're going to balance the whole body weight on one arm. And this arm is completely free, but make sure that you're still hugging the rib cage. Don't let the arm flare to the side. A lot of people like this variation just because they can always build on top of it. So if you want to start doing Ekapada Kundinyasana 1 or any other arm balance from there, you always have the freedom. You can probably go into Falling Angel. So we take a twist and we just balance in the left arm in this case, and the right arm is hugging the rib cage. So the right arm is completely free. Make sure your shoulders are even. And from there you can always take your Ekapada or you can take Falling Angel. So remember, there's no wrong or right doing. It's really up to you. And eventually once you feel stronger, you can always move into the next variation, but you can start with both arms and then slowly move into the one arm. For the most part, the way that you get into the pose, when you are flowing, you come to chair pose, and then you take the right elbow to the left knee, open the heart. Now take the hands to the mat, and then from here you take your side crow. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and answer the questions for you. And if you found the video helpful, just go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Namaste.